you guys have to check this out. This is a perfect depiction of how these Pokemon Go players be like. Yo, I cannot control myself. This just watch this, okay? This is how these Pokemon Go players be like. Oh man. They're all following each other, all going to the same direction, heading to nowhere. Look at their heads, look at their heads. Oh man, I better stop this thing because this is too much. Oh man. You can see this is exactly how these Pokemon Go players be like. This is how ridiculous people are, man. I don't even know. I honestly don't know what to say. I just had to do a reaction for this. When someone shared this on Facebook, so I saw it and I'm like, man, this thing is just too much. I can't control it. You know, if I can't control it, I gotta share it with people. You know? Oh man, I better not make myself look like a clown over here. I'm having too much fun. I need to like not make a clown of myself, but I think I already did. Anyways, I'm just gonna post it out there. You guys can watch it, have fun all you want, share it if you want. It's optional. No big deal. We're just having fun. Just having a brain fart. That's all. Just relax. This is the Controversy 7. Thank you for joining me, for watching this super uneducational video. Until next time, you take care of yourselves and be safe, and I'll see you next time.